I'm Amber with Fabtique, and this is the UA Business Spotlight. So my business partner, Pat, and I wanted to start a boutique that was true to women in like everyday style and what to wear to go out and feel good in the world. We also wanted to offer, which I think is what makes Fabtique so unique, exceptional customer service. You walk into Fabtique as a stranger and you're probably gonna leave as a friend. At Fabtique, the stylists here really work with you to find out exactly what you need to fit in your lifestyle. You come in and we are gonna give you an honest answer. We are gonna be hands-on and really help you find what fits for you, whether it's a whole new wardrobe, bringing pieces in that we can mix and match. We offer personal styling appointments that can be done before or after hours, and really any fashion dilemma, we're here to help. One thing people might not know is that our stylists come from all different backgrounds. Some of them have worked in retail before and some of them haven't. And that's what's great about this team is they all bring different experiences and points of view to make this experience fabulous. So Fabtique wanted to be a part of Upper Arlington because Upper Arlington is so supportive. They show up. The residents here stop by Fabtique to shop. They support us at events. They share Fabtique with their friends. We couldn't ask for anything more. And you just really get the small community vibe in the big city of Columbus that you don't find everywhere. If you're thinking of starting a business, Upper Arlington is a great location. We see customers who move out of town and stop back by to visit us. We get to hear their stories, how they wore Fabtique in their life, and that's just one of the best things about this business.